Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm going to show you what I'm making for dinner, and it's for the crock pot. I'm making a half-butt roast, pork roast, carrots and potatoes. So let's get started. I like to cook my pot roast for a very long time on a very low heat. I put it on warm, okay? And I do this so it literally falls apart. So let's get this going. And if you're asking yourself, well, how long are you going to cook this if it's going to be on warm? Well, as of right now, it's 3:30 in the morning. And yes, this is frozen solid. So, I have been doing it like this for years. And I'll put a little bit of seasoning in here, okay? Let's put a cup of water in. Let's get the vegetable broth mix that we made the other day in the post that I made. Okay, let's get some of this. Let's sprinkle some of this in here. Got a cup of water with about a tablespoon of the vegetable stock mix. All right. But now let's add some more onion powder, some more garlic powder, some salt, and now just some pepper. Now I'm not going to put the carrots and potatoes in yet. Alright, we're going to let this just cook on warm until I wake up. And that's it. When I wake up, I'll put the potatoes in and the carrots in, and then we'll put it on low. And then it'll be done. And I'll show you what it looks like when everything is all said and done. Okay. I'll be back after I wake up. Catch you later. Dinner is served. Don't you wish you had smell-o-vision right now? See you in the next one. Bye-bye.